fried birds, guys.
Yes, my peeps, we are on another adventure. Yes, man. So today, guys, you see something flash up in the water, right? So I don't know how.
Guys,
and there's something still there. Yes, man. We so they brought them in here, you know, my people. The crocodiles are here. So, guys, we're at a new location actually.
Yep.
Yes, lovely lady Mickey. Yeah. Guys, we are see if we can hunt 2 bird food in the morning. Yeah. We want some breakfast. But the way we want to do it.
Yeah, guys, we are hungry breakfast this morning.
Yes, we want to do it legit and nice. Oh, you're lucky. Fly catcher. Guys, them place I brother in love with you, you know. And then we come out for land and them thing there too. See what I go on with? They look like crab around here too. Look what I found. Neesberry tree, guys. They're not ripe.
Guys, this is the seaside. So nice. Well, that place look like it's abandoned. But as you know, we are still on the hunt. So we're moving on. Guys, one cocoa tree under, you know. That one may not good, it look like it eat out. I must woodpecker eat out it.
Look what a rat do this.
Rat? Look the guys.
Neat. We'll find one feet in a rat and we'll look for some.
Let me tell you. I want they look black. Oh. Must see Tarzan.
That's my buster one there. Share for me and Mickey.
Magic, guys. Injab.
Headshot.
Yes. Take him up.
Headshot that, you know, my people. One up on the other side when turn to me. No, I go.
That, guys. Yeah.
Headshot.
One down.
So, guys, put the bird in the bag. And then we'll put in a Mickey bag. You know how we go. Mickey waist bag. Wow. Aki a fall out of a tree, my peeps. I don't know how I go on. Guys, we see a couple of Aki on a tree and we'll take them off.
What that?
Aki. Guys, so this is the stuff they used to make chocolate. Yeah, I make you all go and share this, you know. So I love when the cocoa then look. So guys, all you have to do is just eat off. See, look.
Just suck off the seed, guys.
Just suck off the seed, yeah.
Just suck the seed.
No, you alone. Me eat off what's around the seed.
Suck the seed, all this.
Guys, I love cocoa bad. Guys, somebody cut that stick here and left here. Like, hide it. You know, nobody come find it. But I found it. So guys, let's see if we get some ackee off the tree. Come on. That's one. Okay. There we go.
We are so sorry, guys, but the battery went dead. But after the battery went dead, Stretch shot 2 more birds. He shot a white belly and a ball plate. That's a white crown pigeon.
Yes, guys. We have 2 fire right here, so guys. Have that one here and another one right there. So Mickey there.
So guys, here we are going to now. We are going to cook some flour, pumpkin, and Irish.
Yes.
That we are cooked today with some French fried bird and ackee and saltfish. Yes.
Yeah.
So we are going to see what we're going.
Fire them a blaze. Alright guys, we'll just put on the pot them right away. Guys, it is time to put in the dumplings.
Guys, you don't watch me make flour.
What make you make them over? Just make them put them in the pot.
So,
guys, me make the flour them give her already and she just
like when they... Alright. I put in 3 of them for me and then 3 more and then put in rest. No, I put in 3 of them alone.
I say you make them?
Yeah. So they always, I say you make them?
I saw me make them and then me just flat them out. I say you flat them out?
Yeah.
Oh. Boy, look weird to me.
Yes, and it look weird one time.
Guys, me never noticed I make dumpling before, you know.
Yeah, really, Stretch?
Yeah, but me never realized.
All these years?
No, me realize. I saw me see you do it, but me think I like need you, we are needy. How you set your hand and need me needy when me I do that.
You make though.
Hey, make. Same difference.
Alright, what am I to do? Put them in just so?
No, you must have to flat them out.
So yeah, tell me say.
Because how you, let me show you how me would do it.
Yes, do it up. Me that do it now. Me that do it now. What doing, guys? I'm in the kitchen, you know. Me in the kitchen.
Guys, let me show you how me would have make for me.
Alright.
Guys, all me do is take up one and just go so.
Yeah, but for me more stylish.
What kind of stylish? See,
that too normal. For me just stylish.
That's what I say, guys.
For me just stylish, guys. Stylish.
See on them.
Leave me alone, me can make flour. I can make flour. Haven't you been eating it all these years?
What do you mean?
Okay.
Guys, the flour them a bubble, you know. And as they say 15 minutes, guys, and the flour then start float, then cook.
Not for me. Me cook my flour them.
Me cook them longer.
When they start float.
Yeah.
Cook them make and also then cook. Flour in a pot. I like that.
Alright. Open that one too. Let me see what I want to eat. Alright, water hot. Saltfish can go in there.
Yeah, put in some pumpkin and Irish and all, guys.
Look at that, guys. Wonderful. Real Jamaican pot. Smoke badar, you know.
Guys, a beer sun on the place. And a little cool shady where we there right now. Anytime hot and heat with the fire. You know you go. But me I go and wait. I go and wait for the food to cook, you know.
Everything is inside the pot.
Yeah, the
pots.
food pot.
Yeah. So.
Yeah. Well, we have a flour, we pumpkin and we Irish in the food pot. That are all we are going in.
And the saltfish and the
ackee
ackee in another pot.
And saltfish. So you know we are going to fry up the thing when it finish boil.
Yeah.
Then we are going to French fry the bird them.
Yeah, man. So guys, when the food finish boil, we'll come back to Uno again. Okay guys, it's time. Food pot take off. See what I go on there? Look at them pretty like money. Alright. Put on the oil pattern now. Turn the angle. Yeah.
Okay, and saltfish ready and now if we go fry up.
Strain it off now, guys. Man, seasoning smell good pan here, guys. From the tree to in the flour. I'm going to put in the pot. I don't know later on in my belly. Zimmy. See the guys?
Some salt did already in our flour, guys.
Yeah, so we season up the flour with some salt. Yeah, man. Looking lovely. Don't know, you know, in a oil it go, you know, no, because oil hot, you know, peeps. Calm down.
French fry birds, guys. Yeah, man. French fry bird, them ready, guys. man, really French fry. Hey! Nice.
See it there now.
Yeah man, looks
Scrumptious.
good. Okay, and saltfish time, guys. Smell good, man.
Hello.
I just love smell seasoning fry up, guys, like onion, pepper, sweet pepper, garlic, and then something. I love smell it.
It's time to share the food now, guys. Come on.
Watch out.
What this?
Oh God.
Just take up it with the fork. Like a spoon. No see them sitting a peep she can't share.
You can't cook though.
So I go on my people. You know what me offer, you know, my peeps, are this, you know, French fry bird. Zait. Yeah, zait. So guys, this is our national dish, ackee and saltfish, or ackee and codfish. There we go. Nice. Mamma mia, man.
Pepper right. Everything right, guys. No, so I have to taste the bird.
That's actually the gizzard of the bird.
Gizzard. Oh, okay, no.
So guys, here we go. Pumpkin Irish dumpling, ackee and saltfish, and some French fry bird. So guys, you don't know me. I'm gonna wait until when I reach over. I just put on some movie and just babble. Get a glass of drinks. I don't know. For me usual thing that me peeps. No worry yourself, man. You know we see me eating at some of my video them set speed. You see me? But that's when me the bush. Out in the bush. You see me? Once me the close home or me there in my yard, don't know me prepare my food and you don't know me have to go home go eat. You see me? Because I like to be comfortable. But we have to make you see what I go on. We have to make you see how we prepare our food and everything. So you don't know where you go.
So peeps, all our we are look out at some. I wish me could have cooked some food right now. You know that tasty and know say yo this bad. It's nice. You see me? Yes, some Jamaicans, well Jamaicans and a whole we know how it tastes, but not every one of them we really know how the bird tastes and them way there. So you don't know how it go. But it's a good look, my peeps. You know?
I love Irish bad, you know.
Irish, not true.
Guys, I love food.
Nice.
Me a foodie. Don't like dry goods. Love food.
Yeah. Right now when she go over, she get some drinks and stuff with this. You understand me, peeps? But you know, see the real process of what go on and thing. So you guys have made it to the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in again. As I said before, guys, we want to give you some more shots and everything, but we need some GoPros, some them stand the name again. You don't know what I talk about when I put the GoPro and I stop them. I forgot my name. I forgot my name right now, my piece, but I know my name. You know, just go and donate to the PayPal and thing. Go and support the channel in a real and proper way. Until the next adventure again, my people. So sorry say the battery dead, my peeps. So I couldn't get to see all of these epic shots with the ball plate or the white crown pigeon and the
Guys, I didn't hunt today.
yeah, she didn't get to hunt any today, peeps. But you know it goes. You will see her in action in another video. Just her alone. So stay tuned for that one day. You see me? But peeps, like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace out.